Thank you very much, Prime Minister, for the opportunity to meet. And I have my Foreign Minister and Member of Parliament and ambassadors to the UN and to the European Union. And also our Advice Director of Environment is here with us, our Ambassador to Climate Change and Environment. We are so appreciative for this opportunity to meet with you again after New York. We will partner with Aruba and, of course, through Aruba with the Netherlands. Of course, Netherlands is a critical friend of Tuvalu, and there's a lot of partnership there. We have an urgent work to do here. We hope we can count on the Netherlands, of course, with the support of Aruba, that we must have a legally binding agreement out of COP21. It must be lower than 1.5 degrees temperature increase. We cannot go up more than that. Otherwise, the security and survival of Tuvalu and many other islands will be compromised and possibly will be totally defined to go into under the water. So we really have a very important task to work on. We can count on the European Union and we can count on Netherlands through Aruba. So we must not crumble to the pressures. This is to save the lives of people in Tuvalu and the world.
Thank you, Mr. Prime Minister. Again, it's an honor to meet you, and I also want to reiterate that naturally for us it's sometimes being an island very much in identification with your challenges.
Thank you.
For an island like Aruba, as I just mentioned, maybe the immediateness of the global warming effect are urgent, but not as urgent as yours in the case that immediate lives are involved. But in the case of Aruba, the waterline is very close to 80% of our economy, which is tourism, which are all the hotels. So we very much can relate to the concerns of all islands around the world. And for the case of Tuvalu and many Pacific islands, that even lives are at stake with minimum added rise of the sea level. We are here also to support everything that can be done so that we have a very strong agreement in order to change this development that is threatening the livelihood and lives of our island people. So you can count on us, and also count on us on a partnership in order to make it possible also for your island to be water secured, because your ambassador that visited Aruba during our Green Conference was very much impressed with the way we take seawater and make it drinkable water, and so that's something that we would definitely like to share with you how we do that, and also our efforts to become totally sustainable by 2020, which goal you also share. So we have a lot in common, Prime Minister, and hope to keep on.
We have a lot to do, and let's work together until the end. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.